Hello everyone, welcome to Full Course Online. In this video, I will show you how to create a restore point in Windows 11. A restore point allows you to return your system to a previous working state if something goes wrong. Let's begin. First, click the Start button. Type Create Restore Point. Click the result that appears. The System Properties window will open. Now make sure your system drive, usually the C drive, is selected. Click Configure. Make sure Turn on System Protection is enabled. Click OK. Now click the Create button. Enter a name for the restore point. For example, you can type before installing software. Click Create. Windows will now create a restore point. This process may take a few seconds. Once it finishes, you will see a message saying the restore point was created successfully. Now if your system has a problem in the future, you can restore Windows to this point.